Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be taking you through the Dogecoin, Centrality, and DevCoin. So I'm going to tell you about the meaning. So let's start off with Dogecoin. Dogecoin was created as a joke in December 2013. It is based on the Doge internet meme. Today, it is one of the most popular altcoins. Now, Centrality. Centrality is a venture studio that partners with leading innovators in keys industries to create a marketplace of application. These sites will be in the description. Now the last website is DevCoin. DevCoin is an ethically inspired cryptocurrency created in 2011 to support open source programmers and writers worldwide. So as you know, I'm going to end the video right here. You can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. Don't forget to go to the Weirdest Coins website to find more information about Bitcoin and altcoins. Thanks for watching.